All right, now time to head in the car and we're going to head up to Jacob's Ladder. Supposed to be one of the steepest, narrowest roads in Australia, if not the world. So yeah, looking forward to this trip up the mountain.
Where's the top? How far?
The top would be up there somewhere. Yeah, there goes the road right up the top there, then around, and probably up across the top
there.
Oh yeah, there's the viewing platform. Huh.
With every turn, the earth unfolds, mystic cliffs and stories told.
This is the one.
Oh, this is it. This is what you've been.
No, I haven't.
Look at it down there.
Sorry, Andrew.
I'm saying over at this side as far as I can. Well, I haven't seen a car, so far so
Hear the mountains ancient call, step by step, heart open wide. On Jacob's ladder we will ride.
Fuck, this is amazing.
The rocks stand still, a journey forged by strength of will. Snow-capped peaks in distant view, a wilderness so raw and true. The bends are sharp, the climb is slow, but all the heights will come to know. With every twist, a tale to share of those who dare to venture there. Climb Jacob's ladder, feel the air, the world below beyond compare. Through the mist and mountains grace, we'll find our way in this wild place. Climb Jacob's ladder, rise so tall.
Wow.
Hear the mountains ancient call. Step by step, heart open wide. On Jacob's ladder we will ride.
Incredible.
For those who seek a place where only eagles speak. Above the clouds we'll find our peace. In nature's arms our souls released. Climb Jacob's ladder, feel the air. The world below beyond compare. Through the mist and mountains grace, we'll find our way in this wild place. Climb Jacob's ladder, rise so tall. Hear the mountains ancient call. Step by step, heart open wide. On Jacob's ladder we will ride.
I can see why it's snowing, you gotta wear your...
We probably came at a good time.
Why?
Well, everyone had been gone, and we've just got to get up to there.
Yeah.
A journey forged by strength of will.
Oh, that is fucking straight down.
I know.
A wilderness so raw.
I'm knotty in the stomach.
Well, you knew it would be. We'd be up high.
Those who dare to venture there. Climb Jacob's ladder, feel the air. The world below beyond compare. Through the mist and mountains grace.
Oh, there's a waterfall.
Oh, there's a waterfall. I hate for it to be busy. Oh, look. Oh, have we? We're nearly there. Oh, I'm looking at the road down there. Watchtower corner. Oh, there's a big hole.
Oh, alright, we just made it to the top of Jacob's Ladder. And I'm going to pop over here and there's a viewing platform. And we're going to go and have a look at it. So, that was the drive. And obviously, that's it up the back there. And Jacob's Ladder thingy. So, where is it? Oh. Watchtower and lookout. How'd you get there, Debs? Oh, through here. That's what it says. So, let's walk through. Oh no. Oh no. What's it like? Okay, so you all know what I'm like with heights. Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, it's, yeah, it's not too bad. All right, I'll walk along here. So just coming up to the viewing platform now, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna, oh, I don't know. I don't like the looks of this, Debs. Freaking hell, there's the road. All right. Viewing platform. Oh, not too bad. Yeah, okay. Not too bad. Alright, so that was Jacob's Ladder. Supposed to be the steepest, narrowest road in the world, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that was Jacob's Ladder. Wow, that was an incredible drive. One of the most scariest drives that I have ever done. Anyway, don't forget, you need National Park pass, and by law you've got to carry chains, so they're about $40 to pick up down the bottom before you start heading up. Anyway, we're off to Rest Point Hotel Casino in Hobart for 3 nights, so really looking forward to having a nice hot shower and a nice big comfy bed. Anyway, yeah, we'll see you next week. G'day Australia.